Okay, so this is our whatever the things we learned, let's do some quick revision. Yeah. So these are the basic things. Let's move to the this operators part. These things already we have covered, right? So what we have learned, what are the rules of creating variable, and what is the there are different ways of creating variable. Like you can give the snake case, camel case, like this. And what is comment? Comment is like nothing but you can hide your code. The whatever the thing you give inside your comment, it will be not visible in your output. Aisha, can you tell me how many types of comments we have?
Two types:
What are
single
those?
line comment and multi line comment.
Yeah. Which symbol we use for single line?
Hash.
And for
And for
multi,
multi line comment, we use three quotation mark.
yeah, we use three quotation marks. Okay, yeah. Ma'am, can you tell me what is data type?
Just a minute. Data type string
Yeah.
and
Number,
integer,
int. Yes.
boolean.
Yes, and decimals also, like that is float. What is
Yes.
mean by data type means whatever the type of data you are storing inside your variable, that thing we are call it as what data type. So we have different kinds of data string, integer, float, and boolean. Aisha, can you tell me boolean what boolean will give us?
It will give us true or false.
Yeah, it will give only true or false. Should we write the true and false in single quotes or double quotes?
No need for anything, just we can write true or false.
Yeah.
Will
Okay.
come.
Can we add like this? Like, can we add number plus string?
No,
Hmm?
we can't add.
No, we can't add.
Yeah, it will give you some error because it is not possible. We can't add number and string together. So these are the main data type: string, integer, float, boolean. Okay, ma'am, why we use this type?
Ma'am,
This one type.
type we use it to find out which type of data it is. So, like it's a
Yeah,
string.
which
It's
type
an
of data a
int.
variable stores. Okay,
Yes.
to check it, we use this type. Okay, then we are just checking what is the data type. Then we learn about this operators. Operator, like in operator we have arithmetic operator, like different kinds of operator we have. Like in arithmetic operator we can do all the calculation a normal calculator do. Like we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Aisha, can you tell me what this percentage will do?
It will give us a remainder.
Yeah, it will give us the
Remainder of
reminder.
the.
Yeah, this double square will do the power. Why we use this double slash, ma'am?
Floor division, ma'am. It won't give any decimals. It will give only numbers.
Yeah, it will give only the numbers. Then after it we learn about this comparison operator. In comparison operator we can check is it true, like equal or not. Is it not equal? Like it will give you the result always in true or false format only. Like we can check it is greater than or not, it is less than or not, or we can give less than or equal to and greater than and equal to also. Then after it we learn about this logical operator. This is really interesting, right? Aisha, can you tell me what this and operator will do?
It will give for true. If even if one of the one of the
Both
statement
of
is wrong, it will give everything false.
Yeah. What about or operator, ma'am?
or after any one statement should be true.
Yeah,
Then
at
it will
least
true.
one should be true.
One should be true.
Aisha, what happened if both of the true?
It will give like two.
Yeah, it will give true. The condition is at least one must be true. If it is both are true, it will give true only. Okay. In the case of not, what it will do, Aisha?
Hmm?
In the case of not operator.
It will give the opposite. If the if it's true, it will give false, and if the answer is false, it will give true.
Yeah. Okay. This is all about your logical operator. Then after it, we learn about this assignment operator. Ma'am, can you tell me what is mean by assignment operator?
It used to store the values in variables, ma'am.
Yeah, we used to store the values in a variable, and we can do some like different kind of calculation also we can do. Okay, this is some kind of shortcut we have in assignment operator. We have some kind of shortcut. Instead of writing it like this, x plus 2, like x plus x here is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. Instead of writing this in a lengthy way, we can write the same thing in this shortcut way. Okay, we don't have to write this x double times. We are just writing this x here and giving this plus equal to and giving 2. So it will also add it, 5 plus 2, and this also subtracted. Okay, this is your assignment operators. And now comes to this input. Aisha, why we use this input?
To like give the output. Sometimes you like if you do this code, the computer will ask us a question, and then if we write the answer, it will give us like hello or what a good name
Yeah,
something.
yeah. Why we use input? Ma'am, can you tell me yours? Like what you
If we
understand?
in program, if we ask the question in that output, we can type the answer.
Yeah. See, input is nothing but we are asking something to the user or to the person. We are asking something. We are taking the input. So if we are asking what is your name, it is writing something. It will be shown to us. But to display it again, we have to use this print. Okay. I think this one is the last one. So now let's see. Let's move to our today's class. Yeah. First of all, I will show you this one. Like the ma'am having the doubts. First of all, we will see that one. I'm going to program is Python. Okay, I'm just going here. Yes, just see it. Whenever you are taking some input, first of all you have to store it in a variable, right? Then you have to give this input. Then after it, you have to, like, you are asking some name. What is your name? Okay, you are asking it like this. So like whatever the thing you write, it will must be stored inside this name variable. And now when I run this one, it will it is asking something. Okay, suppose if I ask something else, like I'm asking about the age, I'm taking input. Yeah, what is your age, right? So again I'm running this. Just see it. I'm giving my name Fatima. When I click on enter, instead of showing this Fatima here, it will give you me this answer, this question, age question again. Why it is giving me like this? Aisha, can you tell me why it is giving me like this?
Because we after that we wrote what is your age. That's why.
But I want to show it like this. Hello Fatima, something like this.
Because we didn't print it.
Yeah, now you got it correctly. Ma'am, you missed this part. You didn't print it. Okay. If you print it like this, hello, and you have to call your variable, that is name. So it will now show you properly. I'm giving my name. When I click on enter, it will show hello Fatima, then it will ask the question. Okay, now here also after like after entering my age, again here also I have to give the print, right? So I have to give your age is, and again I have to call this variable. Okay, now it will work properly. Fatima, and I'm giving my name, age. See, it is working fine.
Okay.
Okay, that is the reason it is not showing you, because you missed this print. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now let's move to our today's class.
Yeah.
So in this class, we are going to learn how can we convert our input. Okay, what's the reason of converting your input? First of all, we will see in this class how to convert your input, and then we will see this conditional statements. See what we will see, what is conditional statements, like if there is raining you will bring your umbrella, like this. You can do this thing based on the conditions. You are able to vote if you are above 18 years. So this is a conditions, right? Like your mother will say you, if you are doing, if you have done your homework, then I will allow you to watch the TV. Okay. So this the kind of conditions also we can give in our Python. So let me show you first of all this converting input. So converting input, why we use it? First of all, just see this, in this age I give some number, right? I give number, but when I try to check the data type, okay, check the data type of this age using this type, I'm giving age here. Just see it. I'm removing this one and this one also. Running this code, it is asking me the age. I'm giving 23. Now it will print the data type of this age, right? So here what is the data type of this age?
Integer.
Yeah, it will must show us the integer, right? See, but still it is showing me the string. Yeah, this is not correct, right?
But in age we have mentioned it is
Yeah,
the
we
type
have
is string
mentioned
only.
text.
That is why it's showing string.
It is not like this. Like we give this question, that is why it is showing like this. Something, it is not like
Yeah.
this. If I am not giving anything, let's see. Okay, I am. It is not asking me any question. Yeah, 23. I am clicking enter. See, still it is showing me the string. Okay,
Yeah.
now
Because we have mentioned
Because we wrote that
age is
in the alphabets. We didn't write the
only.
number.
23 is like I'm from my keyboard. I'm typing 23 only, like 2 and 3. Yeah, it is
Yeah.
number, right? 2 and 3 is number. It must show this string. So reason behind it is, like by default this input consider everything as a string only. By default, if you enter the like the decimal numbers also, it will consider that also a string. Okay. By default, input will consider everything as string only. Okay, for that we must have to convert it. Okay, how input converts? So whenever you enter something, by default this input by default means automatically this input consider, even if you write number or even if you write the decimal numbers also, it will consider like you are writing a string only. So we must have to convert it. So for the conversion purpose, like if you want to convert it, you have to give. If you want to take the number in integer format, you have to give int, and inside it you have to give your input. Okay, now I will show you. So what should we give? We just have to use this int, and inside it we have to give this input. So I am giving the question here, writing the question here, what is your age? Okay. Yeah. So yeah, we have to close it once again. Now just see it. It is asking me the age. I am typing 23. Now it is showing me the integer. How it is showing me the integer? Because of using this int. Is it visible? I just
Yeah.
use this extra thing, that is int. Yeah, this one. Because of this I am changing, like if you are asking for the age, like for the number, you can change its data type. You are changing the data type. Suppose if you are asking something like what is your height? So height normally in decimals, okay, like that is in feet only, but usually you can consider like in decimal. What is your height? Okay, like suppose if I enter it like this, I enter it 5.3. So this 5.3 is your float number, right? Is it a float
Yes.
number?
Yes.
Yes, it is a float number, but still the data type, the type will show you integer. Just see this,
Yeah.
it will show you integer. Yeah, I think there is some issue. What is your height? Yeah, let's see this. 4.5, 5.5. Okay, because of this incorrect, that is why it is showing you, I think. So to convert this also in your, like, in decimal format, you just have to, instead of giving this int, you have to give float here. See,
Hmm.
just now we have, see, if you want to convert this into whole numbers, you just have to use this int, and if you want to change the data type into float, you have to give float, float, and it will show the data type as float. I will show
Hmm.
you now. Just see it. Okay, I'm giving 5.5. Okay, now it is showing you perfectly. Getting my point now? Any doubt?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will ask you the question one by one. Aisha, why we use this int?
For finding the integer when we write input.
Yeah, should we write it like this? Like, I will show you. I'm removing it. I'm giving it like this. I'm giving input int. Is it a correct way?
No.
No.
Yeah, it is
First
not
we have
correct way. What is the correct way, Aisha?
First write integer int,
Yes,
then open bracket
yes,
and write input.
yes. Then after it,
Again open the bracket
inside,
and write the text which you want.
yeah, inside it we can write the text whatever we want. So, ma'am, can you tell me why we use that float?
for decimals, for mentioning decimals, we have to write float.
Yeah, what is the proper way to give it?
Age, height equal to float,
Float,
float, open bracket, and we have write
input,
we have input.
and here we can write our questions, right? So this is the
Yes,
correct way. Okay,
yes.
why we are doing this? Because by default input consider everything as string. Okay,
Okay,
input by default consider everything as string, so that is why we are converting it like this. So
okay,
this is your converting to now converting your input. So
okay,
the next thing we have is, we have conditional statements. Okay, like, we, after covering this conditional statement, this if else, we will do some practice. So what is conditional statements? Like, based on some condition, we are giving some results, we are giving some outputs. Like, if it is raining, take an umbrella. If it is not raining, not don't take umbrella. Like, this is some kind of condition, right? So in your Python also, like, you can give some conditions. If it is true, or if it is like, if it is proper, do this one, or else do this one. This kind of conditions we can give. So to give the conditions, we use this if. Okay, if this one is true, do this one, or else do another thing, like this. So we have if, or else. Okay, let's see first one, that is your if statement. Check a condition if it is true. If it is true, then do something. Like, suppose here, how we are doing, age equals to 10, and we are just creating one variable, age equals to 10. Then here I am checking, if age is greater than 5, print this one. If it is not true, it will not show anything. Let me show you here first. First of all, see, just see, I am taking the variable age equals to 10, right? Then again I am doing, if age greater than 5. Okay, I am giving like this, if age greater than 5, you must have to give this colon. Just see the syntax properly. Yeah, just see, after giving some condition, this is your condition, right? Age greater than 5 means this is your condition. After giving condition, you have to give the colon. After giving condition, you have to give colon. Then inside it, you have to write your whatever you want to show in your output. Okay, now let me show you. So yeah, so here I am writing print your age is, something like, you must be in grade 5th or 6th. Normally a 10th 10-year-old student must be in 5th or 6th grade, right? So I'm giving something. Okay, let me show you now. See, you must be in grade 5th or 6th. Why? Because this condition is true, right? Here 10 is greater than 5, that is why it is showing me this thing. If suppose if I am giving, like I am changing the age, I am giving only 4 here. So in this scenario this condition is not true, right? In this scenario this condition is not true, so it will not show you anything. See, it is not showing you anything. Getting my point? Why we are using this if? Aisha, can you tell me why we are using this if?
If we use for some like for some condition, if it
Yes.
checks a condition, if it's true, it will write the what we wrote in print, and if the condition is false, it will just leave it. It doesn't give an
Yeah,
output.
it doesn't show you any kind of output. Okay, with
Output.
this I will show you else also. If it is not true, do any other thing also we can give. Okay, we will see about this indentation also. First see the else part. Like if this one is not true, go to this one. Like this also we can give. Let me show you. We just have to use the else keyword. So so here I am giving else, and inside this else I am giving your age. You must be in grade below 5th. Okay, so now just see, when I am run this code, here the condition is false, right? The 4 is not greater than 5, so it will skip this part of code. Okay, it will skip it, and instead of showing this one, it will goes to this code. Okay, it will show you this line of code. Now let me see it. See, it is showing you must be in grade below 5th, right? Why it is showing it like this, ma'am? Can you tell me?
Because it is greater than if won't work. Now age is not greater than 5.
Yeah,
So it's skipping if, then it's going to else.
yeah, here the condition is not true, that is why it is skipping this part. It is
Okay.
completely skipping this part and going to the else part. Okay, that
Yeah.
is why it is showing you this print, this else part print. Okay, with the in this code just observe one more thing. Just observe, I am giving some spaces here, like see, I am giving some spaces, right? Instead of directly writing it like this in a same way, like this, I'm giving some spaces. Why I'm giving this spaces? Let me show you. If I run this code, see, it is giving me some kind of error. Just by removing this spaces, it is giving me some kind of error. Why? Because this spaces is are really very important. This spaces is also very important. This spaces is called it as what? Indentation. Okay, this spaces is called it as what? Indentation. What is mean by indentation? Means the spaces you give before writing your print. Okay, not only print, like any statement or anything you are writing inside your if or else block. Like you, why you use these spaces? To show this line of code belongs to this if part. Why we use these spaces? To show this print is belong to this if only. And here also we are showing this because we are telling our computer this print is belong to this else part. So that is why we are using this spaces. If we are not giving these spaces, the computer will not understand, like this print is separate. They think it like this print is separate, it is not belong to this else part. Okay, just to show this print is belong to this else part, that is why we are giving this spaces. Any doubt in this, why we use these spaces?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Aisha, can you tell me why we use these spaces?
we use it for codes, and and it's called contaminate something.
That is indentation. Okay, this spaces is called it as what? Indentation. Indentation. Okay, why we use it? To show, to tell our computer this print is belongs to this if. Okay, to show this print is belongs to this else. For that purpose we are giving this spaces. If we are not giving this spaces, our computer will not understand. It thinks like this is a separate. Okay, this one is separate. They think it like it, our computer will think it like this. So that is why, to show this part is belongs to this else only, that is why we are giving this spaces. Okay, any doubt, Aisha?
No.
Okay, after this else we have one more thing, that is if else. We use this elif. Okay, elif, like you want to give multiple conditions, like if your marks x marks is 90, you want to give the grade A. If your marks is below, like if your marks is 80, you want to give the grade B. Like this you want to give multiple conditions, you want to give. Okay, when you want to give the multiple condition, you can use this elif. ELIF. Okay, we can use this elif. I will show you this one example. So here just we have to, instead of giving it like this else only, we can give elif. And here we can write the condition. Instead of giving this age, I am giving marks here. I am giving the marks as 90, and giving the condition as marks if marks is greater than 90. Okay, you want to show like your grade is A. Okay, in this elif part I am saying marks greater than 80. If marks is greater than 80, you want to show it like this: your grade is B. Okay, so similarly we can give multiple conditions. Okay, just see it. Again we can use elif. Here I am giving one more condition, marks, and here I am checking like this: marks greater than 70. Okay, here again we have to give the colon and print your grade is C. Okay, yeah, if it is below 670 also, we can give the last part. Like if we can give a C, D also, we can give the or else we can give the last part inside your else, like this: print. Yeah, just see this, I just give this P in capital, so that is not showing properly. I am giving you are failed. Okay, now let me check this one. Okay, here just see this: your marks is equal to 90, right? This condition is not true. uh, Aisha, can you tell me why this condition is not true?
Huh?
This one, just see this, it is showing me your grade is B. Why it is not showing me your grade is A?
Because it says that if, in LF, if marks are above 80, your grade is B. Even 90 is also above 80. Or
Your if it is grade A, your mark should be greater than 90,
Yeah,
not equal to.
yeah,
So
here it is equal to 90, right? We are not, we are checking above 90, that is why it is not showing grade A. If suppose if I am giving 91, then in this case it will show you grade, your grade is A. Yeah, getting my point? Suppose if I am giving like this 40, ma'am, can you tell me which print statement it will show?
it will show else, that is failed.
Yeah, you are filled, like it will go line by line. First this marks go in this first condition, it will check 40 is greater than 90 or not. If it is true, it will show this one. If it is not true, it will move to this part. Okay, here also this condition is not true, so that is why it is moving to this third condition. Here it will check again, this one also not true, so that is why it is going here. Okay, one by one, like step by step it will check. Okay, let me show you, like this one, you are filled. Okay, any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, no,
Aisha, you want to ask me anything?
no.
Okay, just share your screen, I will give you one example. Just try to do it by yourself. Okay, do one thing, just like this only, like how I create the marks. Same thing you have to do. You have to give, like if it is above 90, it is grade A, like this. Ma'am, why you are giving 585? Like you can give like 50, like it will be like above 100. Yeah. Aisha, you have to give, that is string, right? You have to give it in double quotes. Yeah. Ma'am, you have to use elif, not directly else. You have to use elif. In elif, you can give one conditions again. Ma'am, why you are typing print once again? You can give one more elif. Elif A.
Okay.
Yeah.
Again, we have to give Elif.
Yeah. Again, you have to use the elif, and here in that you can give one more condition. Indentation matters. You have to give the elif at the corner, like just the previous one. How you give? Yeah. Here you have to give condition A greater than 60. Just remove that colon. Yeah, you have to give that after 60. Just give one space after F. In Alif, give space after F. Yes, now it's proper. Now you can give else part. Yeah. Aisha, in else you miss the colon. And in Alif also you miss the colon. Just Aisha, listen. No, no, no. Just remove that colon first after if, yeah. Yes, remove it. Just see. Yeah. After 80 you have to give colon. Yeah. Same with 70. Yes. Ma'am, now you can check it. Now, see, it is working fine. Yeah, it is working fine, right? You can try it with different marks. Just try to give different marks, like in your variable. Okay, yeah, just directly you can change it from there, ma'am. Like from A, you give 85. You can give it, try with giving like 60 something. Yeah, it is working fine, right?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay, I will show you one more thing. Like instead of directly writing the marks, we can take the input from our user also, right? We can ask it like this: what is your marks? Right? We can do it like this. So for that we are doing it. We are using. We already learned about that int, right? Int. My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha, to you also my screen is visible. Just stop sharing your screen. Both of you, please stop sharing your screen. Okay. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha, to you also? Is it visible? You're on mute, Aisha.
Yes.
Okay, so what we are trying to do now, what we did before, we just directly writing some number in our marks. Now I want the user can give their marks, like different students are there, they get the different marks, so they can enter their marks by their own. So I am telling you like this, I am giving int, and inside it I am using this input, and I am asking the user what is your marks. Okay, so suppose, and I am asking a name also from the user, so I can tell it Aisha, you got this grade, like this we can also display. So I am asking name, and name is a string only, so we don't have to convert it, right? So I am directly using input. I am directly showing what is your name. Okay, then after taking the name I am asking for what is your marks. So I am giving the colon here. Okay, so after telling the grade, I will say your Aisha, your grade is. I am calling the name also. Name, name, yeah, name. Okay, now just see it how it will look. Okay, just see it when I try to run this code. First of all, it will ask my name. It is asking my name. I am giving my name as Fatima. Okay, when I click on enter, it will ask the what is your marks. See, it is asking me what is your marks. So I am suppose giving 80. So when I click on this, it will check all these conditions one by one. So my current marks is 80. So it will check if 80 is greater than this 90. No, it is not true. It will remove, skip this. This one is also not true. It will skip this. This one is true. So it will show Fatima, your grade is C. So let me click on enter. See, it is showing me Fatima, your grade is C. Right? You can try it with your name also. Like I'm giving Aisha. It is asking me marks. I'm giving suppose 90. Aisha, your grade is B. It is really good, right? It is as we are directly taking the marks from our user instead of directly writing the marks. We are using this input. Okay. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, just share your screen. Instead of directly writing the marks, just try to take the marks from your user using this input and try to take out the name also. Yeah, ma'am. Just see it. Instead of giving that A, just remove that A first in a fourth line. Yeah, there only you can give like input, enter your marks like something.
Okay.
Aisha, listen. You have to give that colon inside your double quotes only. Okay, and just see this. You give grade. Okay, but you are asking name. Yeah, just give name also. Yes. Now ask for grade also. Create a grade variable. Yes. Ma'am, just remove that. Just wait. Just remove that 14th number line. Okay. Just go to the fifth line. Yeah. Now create a variable A. You want to ask the grade from the user, right?
Huh.
Yeah. So you have to use the int input. Aisha, you just missed one thing. That is, the grade is your number, right? You have to convert it.
Now we have to give A.
You don't have to. That is what I am tell you. Want to tell you is A. You want to take out this A from your user. So use A int input. No, just go to your just go above in your line number 4. Yeah, click enter.
We have to
Yeah, create A variable equal to
int.
int input. Yeah, Aisha, you are doing perfectly. Just give int before the input.
Yeah. Int.
Give int there, int.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And Aisha, just listen. Remove the first brackets you give before your name in your name. Remove the bracket. Yeah, this one. Yes. Now try to run this.
Is it okay, ma'am, now?
Ma'am, you just missed the double quotes before your what is your grade, and you have to give the question mark also inside your grade.
Inside, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Now try to run it. Yeah, ma'am. Just check in the line number 4. You give double time. Yeah. Just remove extra one. Yeah.
Here it is correct.
Now run it. Aisha, you don't have to do this run once again. You just have to click enter. Yes.
What is your grade? What is your name?
Aisha, just check. You give like that one is correct. Just give same thing. You just have to give the G in small case. Great. The first second line. G. Yeah, that is one in small case. Yeah. Now check it. Yeah, ma'am, you are working fine, right? Still, it is having some. Yeah, Aisha, just check it. You give name, but your variable name contains capital N. So just change in the first line. Give a small n in the first line of code. Line number 1. Give small letter n. Okay. Now check. Now run it. Okay. Is it fine? Any doubt till now? Any doubt, anyone?
No.
Okay,
No,
it is
ma'am.
really interesting, right? We are taking the name from our use, like this is a student, so we are taking the name from our student and he is entering their marks. Based on the marks we are giving some grades, right? This is a good example of using this input. And before this, like for taking the grades, we are using this int. Why we are using this int? Because we want to convert the data type. Okay, so that is why we are giving this int. Anyone want to ask me anything? Any doubt?
No. No
Okay.
doubt.
Okay. Ma'am, you want to ask me anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just let's move to we can use this if else with the and operator also. Like just now we are using this comparison operator, like we are using greater than, less than, we are using. We can use this this logical operator also. We learn about what is logical operator. We can give two conditions in your if. You can give two condition. If your age is above 10 and did you done your homework also, we can ask two questions. And if both are true, then you can give do this one or else do the other part. So let's try to do this one. So I'm going here. I'm using the let's see.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
your screen is not visible.
Okay, thanks for telling me. Yeah. So I was talking about like till now we are using this comparison operator, right? We are directly using this greater than symbol. But instead of just normally using this greater than symbol, we can use the logical operators also. You guys know what is logical operator. In logical operator, two of the condition must be true. So in your if, you can give two conditions also, not only one condition, you can give two conditions also. If both this condition is true, then it will show you this block of code, or else it will move to the other part. I will show you in code. So first of all, I am doing it like this, like marks, no, not marks, I am giving age. I am giving age as 11, and I am asking homework is done or not. Homework done. Okay, here I am giving true. Okay, so suppose in my if I am asking the two condition, age greater than 10 and homework, yeah, homework done equal to true. If these both conditions are true, then allow to play video game something. You can play video games. Like if both of the condition is false, like if any one of the condition is false, like you can't play video games. Else you can use elif also, like we can use multiple. So for now here I am giving else only. I am giving print you can't play video games. Okay, just see, when I'm running this code, it will check first, it will check if age is greater than 10 or not. Yes, this one is true. Then it will check home done, homework done, means here we are checking with true. So here also we are giving true, and here this also true, so these two are same, right? So this is also true, so both the conditions are true, then it will show you this part of code. I am running this code. See, it is showing me you can play video games. Suppose if I am giving false here, as we know in AND operator, we know both the condition must be true, but in this scenario the else condition, this homework done condition is not true, not matching, so it will go to this else block of code. I will show you now. See, you can't play video games. Any doubt in this, how we are using this AND operator?
No.
Okay, suppose if instead of this, if we can use elif also. Elif, I can give it like this, age greater than 5 and homework done is equal to true. I am saying you can watch television, you can watch TV. I am saying it like this. Okay, then in my else part I am saying print you can't, just go to sleep. Okay, you can't even play the games, you can't watch the TV, so I am giving go to sleep. Okay, so just see, line by line we have to check. First in the, it will come to this scenario. So in this scenario age is greater than 11, this condition is true, but this condition is false, right? So it will move to this one. So in this scenario this condition is also true, and but this condition is false, right? So that is why it is skipping this part and it goes to this third line, this else part. Now let me check it. Homework done. Yeah, just see it. If you are missing anything, you will get the error like this. How, why I'm getting this error, Aisha, can you tell me? Just observe it.
Sixth line homework E is missing.
Yeah, the spelling I gave is incorrect. Okay, that is why I'm getting this error. Yeah, again, what is the issue? Homework done true.
You didn't write the capital letter.
Yeah.
We had homework.
Okay, you
That's it.
must have to see the errors properly. When you correct the error, you will improve. Okay, now this page. Again, I am getting this error. Why? Homework done. True, right? It is correct only.
Both the
Yeah, yeah. Just observe it. I miss one more thing. Just observe what I
Yeah,
miss.
you
Yes.
didn't write and.
Yeah, here I didn't write and. Okay. Yes, it is saying me go to sleep. Why? Because this condition is also not true. This condition is not true. So that is why. So suppose I am giving like this. I am giving my age as 5, and the homework done is I am giving true. So Aisha, can you tell me which line of code it will show me here?
The second line. You can watch TV.
Yeah, it will show you can watch TV. It's still it is showing me, yeah, age greater than 5. Yeah,
Oh
it is
yeah.
age greater than 5, right?
now
The
equal to
equal. Yeah.
Yeah, if we give
Equal.
age equal to also, it will work properly. Greater than and equal to. Okay, let's give 6 here. Now it will show you properly. Okay.
Yeah.
So instead of just using this and, you can use or also. We learn about the or operator also. So
Yes.
what it will do? Just show me if I am giving the age as 11. So ma'am, can you tell me which line of code it will show me here?
yeah, you can play video games.
Yes, you can play video games. Why?
It is greater than 10.
Yeah, it is greater than 11. Yeah, if I make this also false, suppose. So
That
now,
also it will show you can play video games because the
yes.
or means any one statement should be true.
Yeah, any one must be true. So that is why here age is true. So it is doesn't matter this one is true or false. Okay, still it will show you this line of code. Okay, you can play video games. Any doubt in this?
Normal.
No.
Okay. Just share your screen, try to do this one. Aisha, your screen is not visible.
Okay, 1 minute.
You can remove your this code, this else if code, and try to like this one, like you are ask your age and homework. Aisha, you have to give double times equal to, and T must be
Yeah.
capital. No, homework. In homework, you have to give double times equal to,
Okay.
and T must be capital.
True. E. What was the code?
L
L
I F.
F H equal to 5 and
You can give else part here, Aisha.
here
You can give any by default condition like go to sleep. You don't have to give any condition. You can directly give print. Ma'am, the above code is also running. So when it is going by line by line. So you have to give your name, then it will show you the marks, then the below code will show you. Yes, Aisha, just see, you have to give greater than and equal to, or you can remove the from line number 3. Just remove that after age, remove equal to. No,
after
age.
age.
Yeah, remove equal to. Yeah, here. Then in fifth line also. Yeah, ma'am, what error you are getting? It's fine only. Just run this code.
Then it will start from the beginning.
You can watch now. Yeah, it's working fine. Just try with different numbers. Yeah, it is working fine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aisha, yeah, your code also working fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Any doubt in this?
No.
No, ma'am.
You can give and Aisha. And yeah, or
How
also you
to
can
do
give.
this?
Now second. Yeah, you can watch. Keep. So in this class we learn lot of things, right? We learn first of all what is conditional statements. But the first thing we learn about converting, like we can convert our input. By default, input will give you the string value. So we have to convert it. For my screen is not visible, I think.
Hmm.
Okay, let me share my screen. So here now my screen is visible. Yes. So first of all, we learn about this input. How can we convert the input? For converting, we use this int and float. Yeah. Then after it, we learn about this conditional statements. In conditional statements, we learn about if, elif, and this else. So we can give some condition. Based on the condition, and the output will show us. Then after it, we learn about this indentation. Indentation really matters. Why it is matters? To show it this line of code belongs to this part only. For that we must have to give some spaces. That is your indentation. Okay. Then after it, we learn about how can we use this and this or operator also, right? So
Yeah.
like in this, if in this condition we can use this and this or operator, like with comparison operators we can use this one also. So in our next class we will learn this math cases. This is also really interesting. It is also like a if else only. Then after it we learn about the loop. Okay. Anyone want to ask me anything? Any doubt?
No.
No.
Okay guys. Now I'm going to end this class. Thank you. Bye bye. Take
Thank you.
care. Bye.
Bye.